Welcome back, YouTube, to another great channel and another great episode. So today, what are we getting into today? We are going to go ahead and talk about my lifted 2022 Chevy Tahoe. She's a little dirty right now. Have not had time to wash it. We just got back from vacation, California, home sweet home, but now we're back in New Mexico. But first, let's go ahead and get this thing washed. Well, ran into a problem. Pressure washer stopped working. Not sure why. Had it all cranked up. It just died on me. So we'll go ahead and take her to a car wash. Do it yourself. Alright, fellas, stay with me. If you're probably wondering why I sound like this, because we've been sick. Pretty much the whole vacation out in Cali. Yeah, we're really sick. But now we're just recovering. And let's go ahead and get into this video. Man, I apologize again for my voice. Sounds like shit, I know. But check this out. Every time I come and park, right, I always have to take out the battery. Well, disconnect it. I don't know if my system that I put in is wired wrong or some shit, but I mean, it's always draining my battery. Like, it stays on. So, yeah, I always have to unplug that. I gotta get it checked out, see why. But, hoping to do that next week. But now, let's get into this video. All soaped up. Let's go ahead and get that water. For all my people that don't know, this New Mexico weather is cold as crap. It's like, what is that? I think it's like about, what was that, 32 degrees? Something like that. Man, I can't deal with that. I honestly didn't even want to wash the truck. But somebody had to do it. And my pressure washer broke, so this is the old-fashioned way I gotta do it. But let me put y'all in the time lapse.
Shiny star stole my heart, but I don't mind. Just take it. Don't break it. Don't break it. Tricky little freak. Tricky little freak.
Alright. And just like that, she washed. All right, so let me go ahead and tell you about the wheels. These right here are 24s. Not sure what style rims these are called. I mean, I just know they're fuels. When I went to the shop, I was just looking at their pictures, and these are the ones that I wanted. I was like, yeah, let me get these. So when I did take it to the shop, they did lift it for me, but the only thing they did do was they put a spacer on top of the strut, which was pretty cheap on all four sides. I didn't like the way it rode. Honestly, I kept it like that for like 6 months, and I was like, I don't like it. I do not like it. So, I ordered me a lift kit. So this has a 4.5-inch lift kit with new shocks and upper control arm, and I did all that myself. Figured it ride way better, and it sure does. So, like I said, these are 24s wrapped up on 285 40 24s. I do want to get thicker tires. Because I don't know, these might be a little too small, but I'm waiting for these to wear out so I can get new ones. And the rears, same thing. At the shop that I had taken it to, they pretty much just had a spacer up top. And sure, they nicked it right here, but it's all right. So I ended up taking that out and went with these shocks. Not the springs. I had to put the springs in too with the shocks, and that did lift it. But it looks way better, and it rides way better. I did get a whole 5% all the way around. I did black this part out myself. I wrapped it. Let me know what y'all think about that. Right? Let's see the inside. Yeah, I just washed it. LEDs here, LEDs there, LEDs there, and up front. So it's all LED'd out. Front is stock. I didn't want the AT4 or the high class one, just because I needed the 8 rows seats, 1, 2, 3, and I have 3 more in the back, and then obviously these 2. Shoot, my kids are comfortable. I don't need all that. Didn't get time to clean the inside just because there's no winning because of the kids. But other than that, it's a real comfortable truck. I love the way it drives. It has a 5.3 liter V8. Ooh. I love it. And I did want the base model. Well, not the base, but yes, ma'am. On the right. But I didn't want the air suspension just because this is what I did want to do to it. I did want to lift up this Tahoe. Any Tahoe that I pretty much got brand new, I wanted to lift it. This was my goal. And I figured it'd be pretty hard to do with an airlift suspension, or one that already comes factory with airlift. So yeah, I mean, let me know what y'all think. I think it looks pretty badass. Rides good, feels good, gets a lot of attention. 2022 Chevy Tahoe. I love it. I do want to get different steps. That should be coming soon. And different LED lights in the rear. I do want to black out this. I do want to do a lot, but that's in time. I do have the money, I just don't have time. Let me know what y'all think. If it's a pass or nay or yay, let me know if I can keep going with this build. If y'all like it, I'll keep going ahead. So hit that like button, please. Trying to do a different hood if I can. I'm gonna black out this whole grill. Lights, I like the lights. Let's see the lights. Yeah, lights aren't bad. 4 LEDs. This little guy ready to ride. You ready to ride? But like I said, let me know what y'all think about this build. I mean, I did do myself. Like I said, I wasn't satisfied the way the shop did the lift. You know, with just putting spacers on stock suspension, ran like shit. I'm not gonna go ahead and bash on them because it did look pretty sick when they did it. Because obviously it was my first truck that I got lifted, but I didn't like the way it rode. So like I said, changed the whole suspension. Did go higher, but now I need a little bit of meatier tires. You silly. Yeah, let me know. Hit that like, leave a comment, please. Don't forget to subscribe.
Lights up, drunk crowd. You take off.